Hello and happy Valentine's Day, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Can you believe Valentine's Day is 3 days away? It's upon us. So today, I'm going to share with y'all a cookie recipe that your sweetheart's going to enjoy. We're going to make red velvet chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. Soft and chewy, just melts in your mouth. Full of chocolate chips. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. If you're a fan of red velvet like I am, y'all gonna love these cookies. You will want to make these every year for Valentine's Day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Valentine's Day recipes playlist from chocolate covered strawberries to chocolate strawberry cupcakes to red velvet pancakes. And my previous video, 5 onion dip. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate chips, your cookie scoop, and your red food coloring sugar, because we're about to bake some red velvet chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. And in 2-hour flour, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm using the regular, or you can use the dark. A half a teaspoon of baking soda. Gonna sift these together. Alright, so now we're gonna set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of margarine that let come to room temperature. And we're gonna add in a half a cup of white sugar and a fourth of a cup of light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and of course, this isn't red velvet cookies without some red food coloring. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons red food coloring. And we're going to continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the dough, and this is what it looked like. Nice and thick. And look at this beautiful red color. That looks great. Alright, there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips, or you can use semi-sweet milk or dark. And fold them in. Alright my friends, so all we do now is cover our cookie dough with plastic wrap, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill for 2 hours until it's nice and firm. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our cookie dough is nice and chill and firm. Perfect. So using my cookie scoop, we're going to take some of the dough, and then we're going to scoop them onto the pan. Alrighty my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 10 to 11 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my red velvet cookies out of the oven. It smells incredible. Nothing like the smell of red velvet and freshly baked cookies. Alright, so now while the cookies are still warm, I have some more white chocolate chips. I'm just going to place them onto the cookies. And we're going to let them cool for 5 minutes. And press them down gently. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the chocolate chips on my cookies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Red velvet chocolate chip cookies. Doesn't that look good? And they're nice and cool. I place them on my heart-shaped platter. After all, it's Valentine's Day. And look at the white chocolate chips on top. So pretty. All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cookie. Look at the white chocolate chips inside too. Have a bite. Look at the texture inside. Chewy and chocolatey, bursting with flavor. Ain't nothing like red velvet. Your sweetheart would definitely enjoy these for Valentine's Day. These are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm in heaven. Yum-o. Red velvet chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Valentine's Day.